Hey everyone, Celia the Lice Lady here. Thanks for coming back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. So today we're going to talk about the difference versus casings and head lice. When I say the word casing, I'm not talking about casings from an egg. I'm talking about casing from buildup using hair product, shampoos, conditioners, hairsprays, things like that. Being in the clinic, we actually see a lot of people that think that they have head lice, but actually it's product buildup from shampoos, things that they're using in their daily routine. This is a really tricky one. So you come in, you think that you have head lice. In actuality, it's a casing from a product. Really hard to determine the difference between the two. But here's a couple tips and tricks that we can actually tell you to help decipher the difference. The biggest difference that we can tell people to help determine the difference is eggs have a shimmer, casings don't have a shimmer. Sometimes hair casings from product are a little bit bigger than lice eggs. Lice eggs have a teardrop shape. Casings sometimes will have a teardrop shape, but especially those lice eggs have that teardrop shape to them. Tricky enough, a lot of those hair casings will slide up and down a hair shaft. They are sticky just like those eggs. If you really want to make sure that it's a casing versus head lice, you can get a flashlight, and if it does have that shimmer, then you'll know for sure that it's that egg attached to the hair shaft. Casings are also difficult to comb off of hair. Sometimes I find that they're a little bit more difficult than an egg to comb off of a hair, so that's not always a good indicator. A lot of times what we tell our clients to do is get a really good clarifying shampoo. Make sure you wash that hair really well, and you'll notice a dramatic difference that those casings from the products are going to come off of the hair. That's another good way to tell if you have a casing problem or if you have a head lice problem. If you have any other questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below, and we hope you have a happy and lice-free day.